Today we're showing you a John Deere 3720 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with just under 1,400 hours on it. It is a pre-emission tractor with none of the Tier 4 emission regulations on it. The tractor has a 300CX loader on it, which is the heavier loader for these tractors. Has a skid steer style carrier here for your bucket connection. We do have this priced with a new bucket. It came in without a bucket, so we're adding a new bucket to the tractor. Got a couple of scuffs, very minor scuffs in the hood, surface scratches, but overall a very, very clean little tractor, very sharp little tractor. Tires are good on it. Has the rear power beyond back here. Also has the rear remote SCV, so you can plug anything in back here that you want to. 540 PTO, 3-point hitch with top link, foldable ROPS. A very, very clean little tractor. And again, prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. It's got the Hyd transmission, which basically is a hydrostatic transmission, pedals for forward and reverse, and then 3 ranges over here. Four-wheel drive and park brake also here to the left of the seat. Full suspension seat here for the operator. You have a little bit of a crack here in the seat, which is very minor. We do take trades. We also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We can also arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. If you have any questions regarding the unit, please contact us.